In the vise this time I have, it is this Avis. It's just a 5-pin room cylinder. It got a lend off from Solomon. But he put something in here sort of like as a bit of a surprise, so we'll try and get it picked up and I'll show you exactly what he's done. There's no working key with it, so I'll just show you. It is locked up there. Plenty of slop there in the keyway. I'm just going to use top keyway tension and a clone hook. So just in we go. So that's pin 3 set. Pin number 4 and pin number 5. There's pin number 1, and that's us picked open, as you can see. So I'm going to cut this one and I'll show you, I'll attempt to show you what's inside this. Believe it or not, there are security pins in this. So let's get one of these here round clips. There's your keyway, by the way. That's a tight enough wee keyway. I've no key for this, so I have to be careful. Don't let it close. It has one of these full clips on it, but it's very, very loose clip. In fact, the clip has come off somewhere. I'll find that now, not, so well. Anyway, watch them pull the plug out. So, we'll plug down in the tweezers. Okay. So, just bear with me here, folks. The pins at the key pins are all standard, so they're nothing spectacular. As you see, there's just standard. Sorry. Oh, hold on. Sorry. It's another standard. Another standard. See, there's only 5 pins on it. It's another standard. Last one. Sorry. That's another standard. And they're all just, there's no counter milling or anything like that there in chambers, it's all just pretty standard. And the black there in the front is just where Solomon he painted the front of it there. There's your sort of keyway. Okay, so there's a mixture in here of spools and standard, so I'll just show you. So first pin number 1, and that's just a standard. Pin number 2, sorry, I have to watch this here because I want to keep these here, these springs to show you them. Pin number 2, as you can see, get this to focus, it's still in there, there it is there. Just get that to come out, and it is a spool. That's pin number 2, by the way, is a spool. I can just take the spring out there as well, just show you. There's your other pin that fell out. That was pin, this is pin number 3. That's the one that just fell out. There's another spring. Oh, there's your pin. That's pin number 4, which is a spool. And the last one number 5. Oh, skate. Sorry. Hard time gripping on these things. That's standard. I'm trying to get the spring out. Should be spring out in this one. Now, let me show you if you can see these springs here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I'll try and keep this here shot and show you these here, sorry. So here you go, if you can see these here springs. There you go. Say the key pins are all standard and there's alternating sort of like spools, you know, and standard pins, the drivers. So it's nothing sort of like, you know, spectacular, but what Solomon did was, you can see the different tensions and the different sizes and springs. When I first started picking this, I felt a bit strange, and that was wise, because different spring pressures and different heights, depths and springs, which give it that different feel. So just something to think about when you're replanning your locks out there, guys. So those guys that like, you know, challenge locks. I'm not a big fan of challenge locks, but you know, I do play a big part in lock sport, but yeah, it's just something to think about. Put different sizes of springs in there as well. Alright, well, thanks very much for watching, folks. That's your 5-pin Avis rim cylinder picked and gutted from Solomon. Thanks for watching, and bye.